Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about mint, primarily spearmint, and I've got some tips and ideas for you on ways to include spearmint in your meals or recipes or just what to do with mint. First of all, any recipe that calls for mint, just using the term mint, generally means spearmint. So the two terms, spearmint and mint, are interchangeable. Make sure that you don't interchange mint with just any type of mint because it may or may not work in that application that you have in mind. For a quick dessert or snack, combine sliced strawberries, spearmint leaves, and yogurt. Why not make an easy mint tea by placing 5 to 10 torn mint leaves into a mug, and then you want to muddle them, which means just to smash them up. You don't have to have a muddler to do it. You can take a wooden spoon handle or just anything that you can kind of bruise them and smash them a little bit with, and just a little bit on that, and then pour some hot but not boiling water over the leaves and allow them to steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Then removing the leaves is optional. Heck, when you drink the water and finish with the tea, you could even eat the leaves and really get some benefit that way. If you want to make mint tea using dried mint leaves, you want to steep 1 teaspoon of dried leaves in a cup of hot water for about 3 minutes. Then you can strain it out and enjoy. Try adding 3 or 4 fresh mint leaves to your favorite chocolate or berry smoothie. How about making a delicious strawberry salad that can be eaten as is, used as a topping for a green salad, or even as a topping for your favorite bread, along with some goat cheese or ricotta cheese. Combine 2 cups of sliced strawberries with 10 to 20 chopped fresh mint leaves and an equal number of chopped fresh basil leaves, and 3 to 4 tablespoons of your favorite balsamic vinegar. That really sounds good. How about dressing up some watermelon with equal parts of fresh chopped mint leaves and basil leaves, some feta cheese, and even just a sprinkle of some sea salt. Try adding some fresh mint leaves to plain or even sparkling water for a really nice refresher. Better yet, you could freeze some chopped mint leaves in water in ice cube trays, and then, especially when the weather is hot, add some of those mint ice cubes to your water, and that would be really delicious. Well, this is part 1. I've got a long list here. Part 2 is coming up, so stay tuned for more. This is Judi at Judi in the Kitchen. I hope this helps. Bye for now.